This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS & Company Mortgage Professionals.
Welcome back, everyone. Jeff Farnham joins us now with the JTS Mortgage Minute. Jeff, good to see you.
Good to see you, Bill. Yep.
Last week we talked about USDA loans. What about FFA loans or conventional loans? What's the better of the two?
Well, you know, to say one's better than the other is neither, I guess would be the question. It really depends on the client's specific needs and what they're trying to accomplish, their credit scores. There could be some reasons why we'd use FHA over conventional, but that's going to be specific to the individual borrower and what their needs are.
Are one of them more popular than the other?
Well, you know, in our loan portfolio, we probably do equally as many conventional as we do FHA. Again, it goes to the borrower and what they're trying to accomplish, what their goals are. You know, FHA, for example, will let you cash out a little higher loan to value than, say, a conventional loan will. It's also a little bit easier to qualify for. It's not as credit score sensitive as, say, a conventional loan might be. So depending on, again, the advantage of the conventional loan is that if you're below an 80% loan to value, you won't have any monthly mortgage insurance premium. So a lot of cases we've got borrowers that are in a refinance, in an FHA right now, we'll refinance them from an FHA to a conventional loan to get out from under that FHA PMI. And that could save them $100, $150, $200 a month, depending on what their scenario is. And then also we'll save them long term over the life of the mortgage. And if you turn around and reinvest that back into the mortgage, you can get your mortgage paid off a lot quicker.
You mentioned qualifying. If someone wanted to apply today, what should they do? You
know, really, we've worked real hard to try to make the process real easy to qualify. And the easiest method now that we have is you can actually text JTS to the number 48421. You'll get an application right there on your phone. Real easy to fill out and put in. But a borrower can go online to our website. They can do online there. They can actually stop by our office, fill one in. We'll email them an application. We'll do it over telephone. Really try to work at the pace of the borrower and just to make it as beneficial to them, as user-friendly as we can. So it's not hard to qualify for either one of them, and it's an easy process. Then we try to make the process real easy as well.
What are the current rates for these loans?
Well, you know, rates are, that's really, we got a little reprieve in the mortgage markets last week, and we saw rates soften up just a little bit. You know, on average, we're still hovering in the same territory we have been. Rates, depending on the type of loan you're doing, a 30-year fixed rate is going to be between 3 3/4 and 4.5, depending on the credit score, the type of loan, and those kind of things. 15 years are still in the mid-3s, and that's really an attractive opportunity for somebody to come from a 30-year down to a 20-year or a 15 or maybe even a 10-year and work to get that mortgage paid off quicker. In a lot of cases, you can keep your payment right where you're at right now or have very, very little increase. But by doing that, shortening that term up, can really save thousands of dollars. So if you're thinking about that, it's really a good time to do that before rates do go back up.
Good information as usual. And if you missed last week's show, you can always go to JTS Facebook page. And if you want more information, give them a call at 329-9090 or text JTS at 48421. And of course, there's the website. You can always contact them that way. Jeff, good to see you again.
Good to see you, Bill. Thank you.
Take a break. Come back with more in just a moment.